Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create nail extensions using upper forms with a Valentine's Day inspired design. I have an old polish, so first I remove it using a hot drill bit. Next I do a combined manicure. First I clean the region with a diamond bit, then trim the cuticles with scissors. Next, I apply dehydrator and primer to prepare the nails. Then I apply a thin layer of clear base coat. This also helps to gel and adhere better to the nail. Before applying the extension foam, I'll create an aquarium design near the cuticle. First, I apply a thin layer of Milky gel and cure it. Then, near the cuticle, I apply red glitter gel and spread it to 1/3 of the nail. Next step is choosing the forms. This time I choose the Ballerina-shaped and Milky colored gel. After curing the gel, we remove the upper forms and file the shape. Now let's move on to the design. I choose sliders and a hot button top coat. I'm using the new hot button top from Nails of the Day. It adds a perfect finishing touch with adorable hearts. What do you think of this design? Write your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.